Dear students, today we are going to study the presentation course, and in the presentation course we are going to study the lesson number 5. We are going to talk about my family. Once again, we are going to focus on simple present tense to talk about my family. Let's start. Just repeat after me and keep speaking in English. If you repeat, then you will have a proper lips movement to get you fluency in English. So just repeat after me and learn to get the presentation skills. Hi, good evening everybody. Now I would like to talk about my family. My mom is amazing. She never loses her temper. She just stays really calm. She also works full-time at the supermarket. I don't know how she fits it all in. She never stops. I love going out with my father. He always pays for everybody. He just enjoys spending money. He is so different from his father. He isn't very sensitive and doesn't think before he speaks. My sister and I have completely different personalities. I like meeting new people and am happy to chat to people. What Ankita feels a bit nervous in situations like that. She waits for people to come to her. But when she gets to know you and starts talking, she really makes you laugh. We are a happy family and we like to stay together, have parties, celebrate festivals, and go outing. My mother is generous and my father is patient and hardworking. My brother is shy, but he is funny. I am happy with my family. I love to be with my family for forever. That's all. Thank you.